My name's Jonathan Keys. I work for Hawx Services, LLC, a pest control company. We are innovating in every way, shape, and form. We want to disrupt the pest control industry with smart technology. Some of the benefits that we're getting from the Motive system from a safety standpoint is we are seeing a reduction in incidents overall. We were at about a 10 at-fault vehicle incident rate. We're now just about to be under 5, and my goal was to be at 5. All the data stats on our most egregious events are all trending in the absolute right direction that we want as a company. Our cell phone has been reduced by 88% since we started this program in March. In July, we had 997 hard-braking events. We cut that in half from July to September, and we've only had 192 this month. This is where I would say Motive is the biggest differentiator among its peers, and that is the coaching piece of it. Motive really makes it easy for the manager because it sends a coaching event to the driver, and then it sends it to the manager. So the driver has to review their events, and the manager has to review their events and provide commentary. And that, to me, is revolutionary in maintaining that driver behavior where you want it to be.